Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 23 and our topic is finished product. So now let's learn about our topic. Number first, jam, Jam, jam. So here we can see a photograph of jam. So jam is produced by taking mashed or chopped fruit or vegetable and pulp and boiling it with sugar and water. Jam is produced by taking mashed or chopped fruit or vegetable pulp and boiling it with sugar and water. So the proportions of sugar and fruits varies according to the type of fruit and its reapiness, but a rough starting point is equal weights of each. So the proportion of sugar and fruit varies according to the type of fruit and its ripeness, but a rough starting point is equal weights of each. So, students, jam is making with fruit and vegetables. So here also we find a photograph of jam. So strawberries and apricots are low in pectin, and jams made from such fruits are either blended with fruits high in pectin, or extra sugar is added to the mixture, and sometimes pectin is extracted industrially from dried apples, and uh, critic acid added to the obtain and the correct balance needed to produce the jam or a jelly. So strawberries are apricots are low in pectin, and jam made from such fruits are either blended with fruits high in pectin or extra sugar added to the mixture. So children's jam made from fruits and sugar and vegetables. Okay, now next, bags. So children's, here we can see photographs of bag. So here we find the leather bag. So bags, bags, bags. So bags are leather bags, and leather is commonly used for design, labels and another luxury bags and fabric bags. So these types of materials also has several classes and Winley bags. So if you suddenly glance at Winley bags, you would probably confuse them with a leather bag. So next, rubber bags and polypropylene bags. So there are many types of bags: leather, cotton, then rubber, fabric bag. So a bag is also cotton bag. Here are we find the photograph of cotton bag. So a bag is a common tool in the form of a non-rigid container, and the use of bags predicts and recorded history, with the earliest bag begin no more than legends and of animals and skin. So cotton or woven plants fibers and also folded up at the edges, and the secured in that shape with a string of the same material. So a bag is mostly find in a leather, than we find in a cotton bag or a pepper bag. Also we find a pepper bag and leather bag, and such a type of it's a woven plants fiber folded up at the edges and secure with that shape with the strings of the same material. So children's, there are many types of bag we used. Okay, now next, and it's a kerosene oil. So here we find a photograph of kerosene oil. So, kerosene oil or a kerosene, also known as a paraffin, lamp oil, and coil oil, and also is a combustible hydrocarbon liquid which is divided from a petroleum. So kerosene, we find it's a material of a petroleum, and it is widely used as a fuel in the aviation as well as household. So kerosene or paraffin, lamp oil, and coal oil is derived from a petroleum, and it is widely used as the fuel in the aviation as well as household. So here we also see a photograph of kerosene can. So it's a kerosene is a oil distillate and commonly used as a fuel or a solvent, and it is a thin clear liquid and consisting of a mixture of hydrocarbons that boil between the 302 ounce fab and flame and 527 ounce flame. So while a kerosene can be extracted from coal, its slack and wood, so it is a primarily derived from the refined petroleum. So kerosene is made from a petroleum, and it's a also we call it is a fuel and lamp oil and also a coal oil, and mostly we used as a fuel or a solvent. So childrens, you all are understand about kerosene oil. Okay, now next, and it's a steel. So here we find a photograph of steel. So steel, we all know about steel. So carbon steel or a steel composed simply of iron and carbon, and accounts for a 19% of a steel production. So steel made from iron and carbon, and lowly steel is allowed with other elements, usually molybdenum and manganese and chromium or nickel in amounts of up to 100% by a weight to improve the harden ability of thick section. So, steel is made from iron and carbon, and it's for 90% of steel production. Other elements usually are manganese and chromium. or a nickel. So here also we find a photograph of steel. So steel is an alloy of iron and carbon containing less than 2% carbon and 1% manganese. So and small amount of silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and oxygen. So, steel is the world's most important engineering and construction material. Steel is a most engineering and construction material. So, childrens, you all are understand, and steel is made from iron and carbon. Okay, now next, and it's paper. So, childrens, here we find a photograph of paper. So paper is made from paper, pepper. So you all know about paper. So how it's made? So paper is made from a raw material of it's called a pulp, and this is usually mixed with a cotton and other fibers to make a paper. So paper is made from raw material, it's called pulp, and this is usually mixed with a cotton and other fibers to make paper. And most of the paper produced today is produced from wood pulp, with the virgin material being a wood of cuts and scraps. So hence what would be waste from the logging industry. So mostly we find that wood pulp paper is made from pulp, wood pulp, and here also we find a white paper. So over the countries, uh, uh, over the centuries, paper has been made from a wide variety of materials. It's a wood pulp, rice water plants, and cotton, and even old clothes. So, paper are made from various things like a wood pulp, rice water plants, cotton, even old clothes. So, childrens, you all are understand about paper. So now next, and it's a shoe polish. So here we find a photograph of boot polish or a shoe polish. So how it's made from? Shoe polish or a boot polish is a waxy paste and cream or a liquid used to polish, shine, and waxes are 20 to 40% of a material, and natural waxes include its preserved shoe leather made it shine and restore the color. So by the time Kiwi Dark 10 was, shoe polish is usually made from a mix natural and synthetic material, and it should be used in a well ventilated area with care taken to protect clothes. So, shoe polish is a waxy paste, cream, or a liquid used to polish, shine, and waxes are 20 to 40% of the material, and natural waxes include. So it's a dark in a color, and also it's usually made from ingredients including some or all of naphtha, lanolin, and turpentine, wax, and gum arabic, and ethylenic glycol, and required a coconut such as a carbon black or an ozodri. So there are shoe polish is in a black color. So children, now we are going to learn next slide, and it's the cornflakes. So here we find a photograph of cornflakes. So cornflakes or a cornflakes is a breakfast cereal made from toasting flax or corn maize, and cereal originally made with wheat was created by a William Kellogg in 1894 for his brother John Colleague. So cornflakes is made from cereal and wheat, and cornflakes here also we find a cornflakes. So people don't eat field corn directly from the field because it's hard and certainly not sweet. So instead, field corn must go through a mill and be converted to food produce product and ingredients like corn syrup and corn flakes. So yellow corn chips, corn starch or a corn flour. So, children, you all are understand that cornflakes are made from wheat and also a cereal in maize. Okay, now next pencil. Pencil. So, you all know about pencil because you write with pencil. So, pencil made from a graphite. So, graphite is here is a graphite. So, it's black, shiny in a color. It's a graphite. So, graphite is used to make the writing coarse of a pencil, and wood, soft wood are coniferous trees such as pines or spruces. So, sandalwood is the most commonly used in a pencil production, and the wood increase the graphite, making it easier for the writer to hold. So most pencil cores are made of graphite powder mixed with a clay binder. Graphite pencil, traditionally known as a lead pencil, produced gray or black mark that are easily erased but otherwise resistant or moisture, most chemical, ultraviolet radiation, and natural aging. So pencils are made from a graphite. Okay, children, you all are understand about pencils. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a bottle. So here we find a bottle, glass bottle, and plastic bottle. So, plastics and glass bottle are made from raw material like a gas, oil, or a plants, and which are refined into ethane and propane. So, ethane and propane are then treated with heat in a process called a cracking, which turns them into ethylene and the propylene. These materials are combined together to create a different polymers. So, all glass bottles start out as a raw material silica, soda ash, and limestone, and the clut are combined into a specific mixture based on the desired properties of the bottle. So, bottles are made with plastic and glass. Okay, children. So now we are going to learn next slide. It's a rope. So here we find a photograph of rope, ROPE, rope. Rope may be made either from a natural fibers which have been processed to allow them to be easily formed into yarn, or from a synthetic material which have been spun into fibers or extended into long filament. Natural fibers include hemp, sisal, cotton, flax, and jute. So, rope are mostly made from jute, flax, and cotton. So, nylon is one of the most common material for making rope. Nylon is also a common material for the making rope, and today nylon is a synthetic fiber. It's come from a refined oil, natural and synthetic fiber, and are both used for making rope. So children, you all are understand about how and which material used in a rope making. Okay, now next, and it's a cake, CAKE, cake. We all eat cake, and we have uh, idea that cake is made from a sweet food and made from a flour, and it's very tasty. So a cake made from a sweet food and flour, sugar, and other ingredients, and that is usually baked. So, the most commonly used cake ingredients include flour, sugar, eggs, butter or oil, or margarine and liquid and living against, such as a baking soda or a baking powder. So, cake is made with, or mm, cake made with such ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, butter, oil, and margarine or liquid, and so baking powder and baking soda. So here also see a photograph of a yummy cake. So cakes are made from various combinations of refined flour, some form of shortening, sweetening, and eggs, milk, leavening against, and flavoring. And there is literally thousand of cake recipes. Some are bread like, some rich and elaborated, and many are countries centuries old. And cake making is no longer a compliment producer. So, okay, now next is CD and DVD. So here we find a photograph of CD and DVD. They both are looking same, but some difference are there. So the DCs and disc. So the disc and CD and DVDs are made of plastic and metal, and the largest ingredients in the polycarbonate plastic derived from oil, so can be processed from oil drilling, or made from oil and sand or oil shell. The most important part of a disc is the thin material layer that reflects laser beams used to read the information on the disc. So, here also we find a photograph of DVD and CD. So, CD are made from original master disc, and the master is burned with a laser blame that adds bumps and it's into a surface. Once each disc is pressed, it's coated with a thin aluminum layer, so covered with protective polycarbonates and a lacquer, and the label in the printed on a top. So children, you all are understand about this product and how its product made from. Okay, now we are doing exercise on it. Unit number 23, finish product. So here we see products and material from which they are made. So number first, jam. So jam is made from. So jam is made from, in which material use? So it's a crushed fruits and sugar. So jam is made from crushed fruits and sugar. Very good. Children, you all are right with me. Okay, now number 2, bags. So, which materials used to make the bags? So, it's a leather, clothes, paper and jute. So, these materials are used to make a bags. Okay, very good. Okay, now number 3, kerosene oil. So, kerosene oil is made from which material used in kerosene oil made? So, it's made from petroleum. So, petroleum is a material used in make kerosene oil. Okay, now number 4, steel. So, which material used to make steel? So, it's a iron and carbon. So, iron and carbon used in making steel. Okay, now number 5, paper. So, paper is made from. So, it's a wood pulp. Paper is made from wood pulp. Okay, very good. Now, next, childrens, you all are right with me. Number 6, shoe polish. So, uh, shoe polish is made from which material used in shoe polish? So, it's made from wax, dye, oil, etc. Okay, very good. Now, number 7, cornflakes. So, cornflakes is made from a maize in making cornflakes. Okay, now number 8, pencil. So, in which material used to making pencil? So, it's a graphite. So, graphite used to make pencil. Okay, now number 9, bottle. So, which material used to making bottle? So, it's a plastic and glass. So, plastic and glass both are a material that used to making bottles. Very good. Okay, now number 10, rope. So, rope is make with core. So, rope is make with core. Okay, now number 11, cake. So, you all know that cake is made with flour, sugar, and essence. Very good. Okay, now number 12 and last, CD and DVD. So, CD and DVD is made with plastic and layer of aluminum. So, CD and DVD made with plastic and layer of aluminum. Okay, very good. So, you all enjoy. Hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. So students, I will see you next time. And also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home and stay safe. Okay, thank you students. Bye bye everyone.